Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to create pricing list in Elementor using RTMKit PRO. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit PRO here. RTMKit and activate, and you need to upgrade it to RTMKit PRO. You need to search in romtem.net. Here is and plugin, RTMKit, and loading first. And here's all-in-one toolkit for complete WordPress solution. Here's the page to upgrade it, RTMKit PRO. Here's, you just need to buy it for one site, $59. For 10 site, $99, and for unlimited lifetime, $249 for 100 website. Here's the things that you will get it, and after you purchase it, you can activate it in your plugin, and you will get this one, pricing list. But first of all, you need to create this one, grid, and add element. After you create add element, you go to scroll down and take pricing list. After you get pricing list, you can edit it, the information in here, the title, the price, description, and the image. The image, you can use this one first, and when you hover, it show up like this one, and you can add your link in here as well, and here show on hover or not show it, and the image will be here, and you can show it the hover on hover. And for the style, for the container, the item spacing, image, you can make image bigger, and for the list, you can change the typography and spacing and color, and you can change dot using solid or separator and style dash or double, or you can choose don't use it, none. You can choose solid here, and then people can click it. So make sure that you upgrade your RTMKit to RTMKit PRO, so you will get this widget in your plugin RTMKit PRO. So thank you.